Welcome to Neurolink meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing, not trying to change it, not trying to force it, simply becoming aware of the natural flow of air as it enters your body and as it leaves. And with that awareness, you can begin to allow the sounds around you to simply be there, without needing to follow them or push them away. They are just part of the landscape of this moment. You might notice the weight of your body, supported completely by the chair or the floor beneath you. The subtle sensations where your clothes touch your skin, the temperature of the air on your face, and you can begin to appreciate how your body knows exactly how to be still, how to rest, how to simply be here. And because the mind, as you listen to the sound of my voice, you can allow it to become a gentle guide, a point of focus that you can return to again and again whenever your mind begins to wander. Because the mind does wander, and that's perfectly natural. Each time you notice a thought, a memory, a plan, you can simply acknowledge it, and then gently, effortlessly, return your attention to the sound of this voice, to the feeling of your breath. And with each return, you are strengthening a muscle of awareness. You are training your mind to come home. And now, I invite you to recall a moment, any moment, no matter how brief, when you felt a sense of complete peace. It might have been watching a sunset, or holding a sleeping child, or finishing a task and feeling a wave of satisfaction, where you were simply present, with no need to be anywhere else or do anything else. To see if you can remember where you were. Agupt, the sense of lightness or crowded tall-eyed. The softing like and mean that cup to have that peace felt in your body. A softening in the shoulders perhaps. A quiet warmth in the chest. A sense of lightness or grounded calm. And as you reconnect with that feeling, you can allow it to grow just a little bit stronger now. Let that sensation of peaceful stillness become a little more vivid, a little more real in this present moment. Good. And as you hold that feeling, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Just a soft, firm pressure. And as you do, imagine you are anchoring that entire feeling of peaceful presence right into that point of contact, every detail of that memory, every sensation of calm, every visual of that still moment is now being coded into this simple physical gesture. In Geterik Uward, you are creating a neurolinguistic link, a direct path. Now, let that memory gently fade and bring your awareness fully back to your breath, to the rising and falling of your chest or abdomen. And as you breathe in, you can think or whisper to yourself, I am here. How? And as you breathe out, I am aware. How? Out in PPL, my gods, I am aware. And with each cycle of breath, your awareness becomes a little clearer, a little brighter, like a lens coming into perfect focus. And from this place of clear, focused awareness, the affirmations can begin to sink in, not as commands, but as gentle recognitions of a truth that is already waiting within you. And I am completely present in this moment. There is nowhere else I need to be, and nothing else I need to be doing. With every breath out, I release tension. My body understands this language of breath and responds with deep cellular relaxation. Each exhale is a sigh of relief, a letting go of all that I have been carrying. And each inhale is a welcome reception of fresh, calming energy. I am anchored in the now. A deep, unshakable stillness resides at my core. It is always there, beneath the surface of activity, beneath the waves of emotion. I am learning to access this inner stillness whenever I choose. It is my true home, and right now, I can feel it, a quiet, potent calm at the very center of my being. My mind is becoming effortlessly clear, like a pond settling after a disturbance. The sediment of worry and distraction sinks, and the water of my mind becomes transparent. I can see through to what is essential. In this clarity, I know what I need to know. I welcome all sensations, all feelings, all experiences. I do not resist what is in this welcoming, this allowing. I find a profound freedom. Even discomfort, when met with open awareness, loses its power to disturb my peace. I am bigger than any passing experience. time slows down in the field of my awareness. Good thought. I have all the time I need to be fully present. Ever, there is a spaciousness in this moment that expands to hold everything perfectly. My body is not separate from my mind. It is the very ground of my present moment experience. My body is not separate from my mind. It is the very ground of my present moment experience. I am connected to the silent intelligence of life itself. In this stillness, I can hear its whisper. It guides me with a certainty that thought cannot comprehend. I trust this inner guidance more and more with each passing day. I trust this inner guidance more and more with each passing day. Peace is my natural state. It may be although I do not have to create it. I simply have to remember it, to return to it. It may be even stronger styles at vaporections of big to go. And now, gently you can re-engage that powerful anchor. Press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand with that same soft, firm pressure. And notice how instantly, effortlessly, that full feeling of peaceful presence returns. It may be even stronger now. Enriched by these affirmations, deepened by this practice, Cook, body, and mind now associate this simple touch with the entire experience of mindful anchored stillness. Can use this anytime, in a busy street, in a stressful moment, before an important conversation, to instantly call upon this resourceful state. You can release the anchor now, carrying the feeling with you. But stillness you feel is not fragile. It is resilient and strong. It can coexist with activity, with sound, with the full spectrum of life. You are learning to carry this inner sanctuary with you wherever you go. Brackets. As we begin to prepare to return, know that this transformation is integrating at a deep neurological level. The effects of calm awareness are being woven into the fabric of your brain. The affirmations you have heard are not just words. They are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious, and they are already taking root. Your mind and body are aligning with the truth of your peaceful, present nature. Begin to gently widen your awareness. Become aware of the room around you once more. Try the surface beneath you, the distant sounds. Feel the aliveness in your fingers and toes. Take a deeper, fuller breath, inviting a sense of alert vitality to join the deep stillness you have cultivated. You are both profoundly relaxed and keenly aware. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues, even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.